Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my dog's clothes. So yeah, I only have clothes for my Chihuahua, so yeah. And if you don't remember, my Chihuahua's name is Hazel. She's right here. And she is wearing one of the clothes. It's a blouse dress thingy with a bow with a heart jewel on top of it, so yeah. And I'm gonna show you the rest. So, sorry, everything is all hairy because my dog sheds. So yeah. So I have this sweater. Hi. I have this sweater for her, and it has a hole. You can't see because it's black. So yeah, it has a hole. Here's the other way. So yeah. Plaid sweater. Oh, and I store them in a little baggie, so yeah. Next is this t-shirt, and it says "Bad to the bone."
It's a tank top.
So it says "Bad to the bone" right here. Next, this says "Tougher than I look." Oops, sorry. This one says "Tougher than I look" with a stain and paw prints on it. So yeah. Next, we have this regular t-shirt. It's yellow, and yeah. I don't remember where I got this. My mom said she just found it or something. Well, I asked my sister, and she said that my mom probably found it. So yeah. Last, I have this thing. So when I take her for a walk, I could just put this on her and attach the leash to this hook. So yeah. And again, she's wearing this one, the dress. So yeah. Bye. Say bye, Hazel. Bye. So yeah, bye.